Tired of your Chevy Colorado's turn signal leaving you in the dark? Here's what to do. First things first, check if it's just one turn signal or both. If only one isn't working, it's probably a burnt-out bulb. Pop the hood or check the taillight, find the bad bulb, and swap it out. It's a simple twist-and-pull job. If both signals are out, check your fuses. Open the fuse box. It's usually under the hood or by the driver's seat. Look for the fuse labeled turn or turn signal. If it looks broken or burnt, replace it with a new one of the same number. Still no luck? Your turn signal switch might be the problem. This is the lever on your steering wheel. Sometimes these wear out. You'll need a mechanic for this one, but at least you know what to ask for. So, bulb, fuse, or switch. Those are your top 3 fixes. Remember, working turn signals keep you safe and legal. If you're not sure, get help from a pro. Now you know how to fix your Chevy Colorado's turn signal. Fast, stay safe, and keep those signals flashing.